Okay. All right. It's that time of the month.
Ooh.
Okay, Committed Club.
Cringe.
Yeah, it's the Committed Club. We're a little late. Oh, wait, can't be late either when we're talking about it. Anyway, Committed Clubs.
This is so bad.
The list got even bigger this month, right? I'm pretty excited about it. So we are going to give away a 4-pack of our new O2 drinks. So we got a couple of caffeinated ones and then some uncaffeinated ones. These are new recovery drinks brought in here. They're infused with oxygen and they're absolutely delicious. They're non-carbonated, so that's very important to know ahead of time. But we have a 4-pack of these. And then also, thanks to Joe, we've got a new CrossFit Ergo hat, right? Yeah. Pretty good. Pretty good. So let's check out who is on the list. There we go.
Okay, you want to read that off?
Yeah.
'Cause I can't see.
Okay. So we got Raul from last month, Robert, Daniel, Jose, Jacob Paul, and Jana. Surprise. Christian, right? Natalie, Thomas, and Lorenza. Dixon, Marlee, right? Some staples here. Sydnee made it again. Oh, we got Adam. Adam might not make the list this month because he has this job thing going on. We miss you, Adam. Come in, but you're on the list. And then Katia, she's been amazingly consistent as well. So, drum roll. Here we go. Drum roll. Drum roll. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but here we go. The winner is Raul.
I don't think he has Facebook, but I'll text him.
Okay. He'll be here tonight.
Yeah.
Anyway, congratulations, Raul, on your new hat and your 4-pack. And you guys keep coming in. To get on the Committed Club, check in and attend 16 classes for each month. Right? And then I believe at the end of September, we're going to run a Committed Club for the quarter, which is an even better prize. And then at the end of the year, if you've made the list all 12 months, really cool. Probably like a shirtless dinner with Keanu.
That won't happen. I probably won't even show up.
Okay. But there'll be food there, at least.
There'll be food there, yeah.
Okay.
Sure, I'll pay for the food. I won't be there.
Congratulations to the August.
I'll probably be at the gym training.
Okay. All right. We'll bring it here. Chipotle.
Chipotle dinner with me.